those TPS reports to me by 1! And make sure they're stapled this time!
So there's a big conference tomorrow, and I have to get 150 TPS reports printed and stapled, and they are due in 45 minutes, so I should have gotten started yesterday. Our old copier stapled, but we got a new one, and I can't get it to staple.
Hey man, I heard you were getting chewed out by the boss.
Yeah, I just can't get the new copier to staple.
Don't you have that one brother that works for that copier place, that copier company?
Oh yeah, I should give him a call.
Hey, what's going on, identical twin brother?
Yeah, so we got a new copier from you recently, and it's got a stapler, but when I go to use it, it says it's not installed.
Sure. Yeah, we see that all the time. Should be an easy fix.
Go ahead and click the Windows key. Type in printers and scanners. All right, now find the printer you're printing to. Click it. Find printer properties. Now find device settings. Now ensure all the options that are on your copier are checkmarked. Now if you go back to whatever you're printing, it should show stapling for you now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that worked. Thanks, man.